Today's top headlines feature major events in India and across the globe, including monsoon flooding in Kolkata, international political developments involving Donald Trump at the UN General Assembly, and the ongoing Asia Cup cricket tournament. India, Kolkata flooding and casualties. Heavy rainfall has caused severe waterlogging in Kolkata, resulting in at least 9 deaths by electrocution. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has instructed residents to stay indoors and announced virtual inaugurations for upcoming Durga Puja pandals. Schools in Kolkata will remain closed for the next 2 days. 71st National Film Awards. President Draupadi Murmu presented the 71st National Film Awards. Mohanlal received the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, and Shah Rukh Khan and Rani Mukherjee were also honoured. Political developments. Samajwadi Party leader Azam Khan was released from jail and welcomed by hundreds of supporters. The Congress Working Committee is preparing for a meeting in Patna. Climate targets. India is set to submit its updated carbon reduction targets ahead of the COP30 summit in Brazil this November. World. Typhoon Raksa. The strongest storm of the year has battered Hong Kong, southern China, and Taiwan, where it triggered a deadly landslide. Authorities have closed schools and businesses in at least 10 cities. Trump at the UN General Assembly. At the UN, former US President Donald Trump accused India and China of being the primary funders of the Ukraine war through their energy purchases from Russia. He also repeated his claim of ending wars and said that NATO nations should shoot down Russian aircraft that violate their airspace. French view on Nobel Prize. French President Emmanuel Macron stated that Trump could win a Nobel Peace Prize if he helps end the conflict in Gaza. Diplomatic tensions. India has criticized Pakistan at the UN Human Rights Council for using the platform to make baseless claims and for bombing their own people in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Business and technology. Stock market decline. Indian benchmark indices Sensex and Nifty 50 have opened in the red, with IT stocks dropping due to potential concerns over a proposed H-1B visa fee increase in the US. Rupee hits record low. The Indian rupee has fallen to a record low of 88.75 against the US dollar. APAC Prefab Technologies IPO. The IPO opened for subscription today, with analysts and investors keeping a close watch on its performance. Meta translation on WhatsApp. Meta has introduced a new real-time translation feature for WhatsApp users. Sports. Asia Cup 2025. Pakistan has secured a 5-wicket win against Sri Lanka in the Super 4 stage, keeping their hopes for the final alive. India is scheduled to face Bangladesh in the Super 4s today. Cricket legend passes away. Former cricket umpire Dickie Bird has died at the age of 92. Hockey news. The mini-auction for the Hockey India League, HIL, 2026 is underway, with over 100 players going under the hammer.